Email drbetts@protonmail.com if you would like a copy of every problem in this series. Hey guys, Russ here. Welcome back to another fantastic chemistry video. And today we're going to go over some chemistry reactions. Very important for exams. Very important that you know these reactions, especially for synthetic questions that are coming up. All right, guys, let's get after it. So we have the same alkene being treated under varying conditions. So let's take a look at the first one. Ozone, then DMS. Now this question is not asking for mechanism. So I'm not going to give the mechanism. I'm just going to give the product. Very simple. Now ozone is known to oxidize double bonds and break them apart and put ketones or aldehydes where the alkene used to be. So let me just number these carbons real quick. 1, 2, 3, let me go the other way. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this would be 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3. So notice carbon number 3 was right here. Was part of an alkene, now it's part of an aldehyde. Carbon number 2 is right here. It was part of an alkene, and now carbon 2 is part of a ketone. So essentially what happens in this reaction is this bond breaks and you put an oxygen on either side of the double bond. That's kind of how people like to think of it sometimes. Let's take a look at this one. So now we have MCPBA. MCPBA will give you an epoxide. And then we're going to open that epoxide with hydronium. So the product of this reaction will be and CH3 will be there, plus the enantiomer. All right, so that's how that one goes. Now, the mechanism for this question is not required, but you might want to know the mechanism. Make sure you do for exams. This one, we have merconium. Should be water in there as well. So merconium in the presence of water, and then sodium borohydride. Well, the answer to this question will be the alcohol. Very simple. If you don't know the mechanism, try it. Ask your professor in class or send me a comment and we'll look at it. And maybe I'll post a video for the mechanism. I may already have a video for this mechanism, so check my library to make sure I don't. BH3 and then peroxide and base. BH3 is an anti-Markovnikov addition. So we're going to get this. There's my CH3. There's the hydrogen. There's the OH, plus the enantiomer. All right, so there's 4. Let's do some more. There's 4 more different questions you can do. All right, so now we have the same alkene as the previous 4, and we have different conditions again. So let's just do them. So here we have MCPBA reacting with nothing else. So now we are just going to get the epoxide. Plus the enantiomer. Very simple. Now we have a reduction of the alkene. That's just going to give us the alkane, essentially, just like that. Now we have the halogen addition across a double bond. That's going to give us the dihalo product. All right, and finally, adding chloride in the halogen in the presence of water, so we'll get this. And again, this question doesn't require mechanism, but you probably want to know them anyway, just in case on an exam you're asked about them. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Let's try that. Let me try that again. So there you go. Here are the answers to all these reactions. Now, if you found this video helpful, please slap that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really does help me out. And with that, I want to wish you all good luck and good chemistry. We'll see you soon. Click the link in the description to download your own copy of this video's problem.